Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to make posts in LinkedIn in 2023. To start this tutorial, open and locate your LinkedIn application in your mobile device. Once you open LinkedIn, make sure you already are taking care of your details. Now that we're here on LinkedIn, this time go to + and post. In here, you can talk about anything that you want. Of course, allow LinkedIn access to your media on your device so you can take photos and take a video. In here, just put in a simple status like you always do over at Facebook. Your post over here, you can also add in an image or a video depending on your mood. And that's it, hit on post. It's that easy. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.